you guys doing today? Today I am here to do a tutorial on this look. I do have a video on this hair. If you guys want details, I'll put it down below. And film a tutorial in a minute. And I got an email from YouTube that discouraged me a little bit, but no, we're gonna push through. We're not gonna talk about it. And yeah, I'm here to do this look for you guys today. I love this look. Like, this is the me in a look. So yeah, if you guys are interested in learning how I achieved this look, then do continue watching. Now that you guys are extra close and personal, the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. I've been hearing so many good things about it, focusing mainly on this side of the zhuzh, but the first color I'm actually going to be using is this guy right here. I'm going to take that hot pink and I'm just going to pop that and use that as my transition color. Like, and this palette is $9. Well, it was like on super sale. It's usually like, I want to say $11. This is the Sigma Diffused Crease brush. It's the E38. I'm going to take it and I'm going to grab this color right here. Right here. I'll pop that directly into the crease. Just intensify that pink that we already put in. Coastal Scents BRC and 09 brush, and I'm going to go into this deep purple right here. And we're gonna start with the cut crease. Basically placing the color and then blending out the edge. Ooh, that's nice. I like that. I'm just gonna intensify that purple a tad bit. But I don't want to put too much energy into this part because it's not the main focus of the eye. But I still want it to look nice, you know? And I'm going to go into, this is actually a BH Cosmetics brush. It came with the It's My Ray Ray set. I love all the brushes in that set. They're so soft, so nice, and the fact that they were so inexpensive. Get out of here. I'm going to take the black, which is actually not problematic at all, so I'm like really happy. And I'm just going to deepen that purple in the crease a bit. And you guys can see, like, that's a nice black. And what I love so much about the product I'm about to use next is I don't have to cut my crease with concealer first. I can actually just use this because it's a cream product. I don't have to use a separate brush. I just grab it and use it just to cut my crease. And that's it. And this is the Stila Magnificent Metal Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. And this is into the blue. The blue. I want to make sure I'm actually showing you guys. You want to see that? Everything. And I'm just going to flip the other side and intensify the color. And that's all there is to it. I'm going to swatch it for you so you guys just can see how beautiful this guy is. Like, look at that. That's something. So that's into the blue. I'm actually going to swatch. I'm going to use this in a look soon. This is Sea Siren. And I'm going to actually use it today because it's calling my name like a siren, you know, get it? And that's sea siren, and oh, so pretty. I can't. And this could actually just be your look. You could just do a wing eyeliner with some lashes and you could be done. But of course, there's more for me. This is NYX Studio Liquid Liner, and this is Extreme Blue. It's one of my favorite things from NYX. Now I'm just gonna follow the cut of the crease. Your first time doing it, you want to do like short little stroke and kind of do like connect the dots kind of thing. You don't want to wish for the best and just kind of go through the whole thing. Like do the end part first and like do it in like sections and then connect it all. That worked really well for me when I was starting. Right, you'll do the second wing. Same thing. Till end first. And there we are. I like it. What do you guys think? If you just mess up, you can always go back in with this guy and use it to clean it up. Yeah. Helping you out. I'm going to do the lower lash line, and I'm just lining it with my Jordana black point pencil. Lashes, I'm going to be using the Intoxicating Lashes by Flutter Lash. Flutter Lash, Flutter la 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 lash. Actually going to highlight with the BH Cosmetics highlighting palette. I'm going to be taking my Makeup for Melanin Girls glitter palette. So you're going to take this color. Pop it in a tear duct. And I'm taking this Jazzy glitter. I don't know what the name is, but it's this iridescent color. It's really pretty. I'm just gonna use a little bit just to be extra and dab that in. I'm gonna line my lips with Pitch. Use Sis by MAC. That is pretty much it. I hope you guys like it. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Atutala. Mwah, mwah, mwah.